Yo, what's up, man? It's been a while. Just want to say how y'all doing. Happy New Year. And this is Big Shorty of Amenity. And got a little surprise for y'all real quick, man. I want to show y'all something, man. I don't know if y'all noticed, but I had a tiger wolf spider a few months ago that I caught. She had an egg sac. She had babies. I just want y'all to see this real quick, man. Hold on, give me a second. Hold on, baby. There we go. Can y'all see them jumps? Look at that. All those eggs, all those babies. Crazy, right? So I'm like, damn it. Gotta let these Jones go, man. It's a lot of them, but man, just wanted to show y'all that, man. Again, Happy New Year. Love y'all. Take it easy.